Hi, I'm Lexi. Stop saying same and instead use these 10 idioms. Number 1, a dime a dozen. It means very common, easy to find, therefore not special. Example, those online courses are a dime a dozen. Number 2, run of the mill. It means ordinary, nothing special. Example, the movie is just a run-of-the-mill action film with no original ideas. Number 3, run like clockwork. It means working in a very predictable, mechanical way. Example, the school runs like clockwork, but there's no room for creativity. Number 4, straight off the bat. It means from the start, without variation. Example, in the interview, she answered the question straight off the bat, which impressed the manager. Number 5, same old, same old. It means repetitive, boring, never changing. Example, every class is the same old exercises. Number 6, old hat. It means old-fashioned and familiar, nothing new or exciting. Example, these textbook examples are old hat now. Number 7, by the book. It means following rules exactly, without creativity or flexibility. Example, she studies by the book, memorizing everything exactly, but never tries to think creatively. Number 8, by the numbers. It means something done in a very strict, mechanical, or formulaic way, following the exact rules without creativity. Example, he grades the essays by the numbers, so even creative answers get the same low score. Number 9, cookie cutter. It means something that is the same as many others and not very original. Example, all the assignments are cookie cutter. They never let students be creative. Number 10, by rote. It means learned mechanically, without understanding or creativity. Example, students just study by rote, like a cookie cutter factory. Okay class, time to bake your own ideas instead of being cookie cutter. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe if you want more fun idioms, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crispy, not cookie cutter.